On behalf of all the faculty, staff, and students, welcome to the School of Social Sciences. As Dean of the school, I am proud of the rich research and practice-based disciplines represented in the school. These disciplines include psychology, sociology, social work, economics, international studies, history, political science, and education.
Greetings from the Department of Sociology and Social Work at Christ deemed to be University. Department of Sociology and Social Work is committed to provide the highest standard of academic excellence by encouraging the creative and empathetic involvement of our students in activities that focus on social development. The department brings together the distinct, motivated, and enthusiastic students who are nurtured by outstanding, dedicated faculty members who are recognized around the world for their expertise and knowledge.
We have very good specialized MSW program at Christ, that is clinical and community practice. So this is a very good master's program because we have very good curriculum that will give you many career opportunities for students. And the second reason is we have very good international collaborations. So where students and faculty go for exchange programs, and our faculty conduct collaborative research, and students get a lot of seminars and workshops from the international social work professionals. So that is really good for the career. And the third reason is department give a lot of opportunities for the students in terms of taking their own service learning, research projects, and students can take lead in terms of conducting their own workshops and seminars. So that will help them in terms of gaining skills and working once they complete their course.
It makes me very glad to be introducing the MSW HRDM program to all of you. This is a very challenging course that brings together different areas such as HRM, industrial relations, labor legislations, employee welfare, and CSR. In order to meet the very challenging curriculum that we have, the department organizes several co-curricular activities like seminars, conferences. There are challenging internships that the students complete. They also complete a research project which makes them very proficient in the area. They present their papers in different conferences. They're exposed to the latest trends in the market.
The master's program in applied sociology at Christ is conceptualized as one that will provide a sound theoretical base for the understanding of contemporary social phenomena in conjunction with the skills necessary to apply this knowledge in various fields. This program gives equal importance to classical and contemporary theories on one hand and a number of special fields of empirical sociological studies on the other.
Christ University is an emotion. Having studied here during my post-graduation gives a greater feeling of affiliation and confidence. 2 years of Christ's life was a golden time. Beautiful, lovely campus that no one can forget. Enthusiastic Christites ready for everything. PP extracurricular activities and a lot more. Department of Social Work at Christ, young but dynamic department then. We had such a lot of activities and programs within and outside campus. Very supportive bunch of faculty members spending late evenings with activity planning.
Hello everyone, this is Jay Kumar, a Christ from 2001 to 2009 batch. I did my MSW from 2007 to 2009. Currently I run my own consulting outfit called Inner Voice Consulting, which primarily focuses on working with microfinance, nonprofits, and education space. What I really and very fondly remember of my MSW days is that all the faculty members telling us that social work is working in society. The kind of encouragement and the space which was given us to experiment with our ideas was something which has always inspired me to do what I'm doing today. So I really want to thank the department, and I really want to thank the university, which has shaped me and made me the individual, the professional I am today.
I was a part of the Department of Sociology from 2003 to 2008. During these 5 years, our professors encouraged us to ask questions beyond our curriculum. I was involved in various fests such as Sambandh and the Human Rights Festival, which gave me the experience and the discipline to handle large projects and put me on the path to my career in program management.
I'm also very proud of the diverse and rich experience that our faculty bring to the school from industry, community and academia. Our faculty come with rich international and local experience from leading universities and industries. I invite all of you interested in the school to explore our programs either online or to visit us in any one of our campuses. Thank you.